What's going on, you guys? Today we're gonna go ahead. My supervisor is on his way. He did help me remove the radiator support. Now he's gonna help me weld it on because I don't know how to weld. I have the general idea, but then again, I don't even have a welder, and he does, so he's gonna come over and help me weld it real fast. So to begin with, we actually have to put the hood on in order to align it, if that makes sense. We have to align it with the hood. So I really don't want to show you guys the hood until I start doing the hood. So I think I'm gonna take that out a little bit, maybe, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna slap the hood on before he gets here, so when he's here it'll just be done, you know what I'm saying? And then by that time I can put on the fenders, I can put on the bumper, and be able to drive the car, considering, again, everything goes well. So I'm gonna slap the hood on real quick, and yeah. Okay, so this hood is absolutely amazing compared to the last hood that I ever had. So it comes already with a pre-installed like little hood thingy right here, which is awesome. And then it also comes with the hardware, which my old hood didn't come with. So yeah, anyways, we got all this off. Ignore my setup of, you know, bags and whatnot, but essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow this out, clean it a little bit, because if you guys know anything about welding, welds will not stick at all to a dirty surface. So I gotta clean that off real fast and install the hood. I'm definitely gonna have to I think I'm gonna have to straighten these out, because yeah, you guys can see it got moved a little bit. So I'm gonna unbolt this and then slide it and then just bolt it back on real quick. And I'm pretty sure it'll be the same for the other side. So let's go ahead and do that real fast. So we have the two brackets. We're getting started on all of this. I won't be recording much because I'm gonna help. So I'm just gonna set the phone up right here, and then I will commentate over this, something like that. But yeah, I'm actually gonna help. So sorry guys, can't give you like the point of views. Okay, so this is the car for right now. Nothing's lined up right now. Everything is just all mashed together. The goal was to get everything welded on, so that's what we have. We have the frame now welded on. We have the radiator support on. We have the brackets, all that good stuff. So now we can actually start working on the car in terms of putting things together, putting our parts on and getting it running. So it should be done in the next like 4 days, hopefully, in terms of getting it up and running. And then I just got to focus on the wheels. I have to focus on the wrap. I gotta wrap the hood, and then I'm definitely gonna play with the interior because the interior is really dirty and I really hate the tan. So I might even do my plan was to do something that I recently thought about, was a rear seat delete with black seats. So that'd be pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, so the hood looks really cool. It's so much higher quality than the last hood that I had, so that's really cool. But I'm gonna give this a break for a little bit. I'm gonna go eat or chill, play Forza maybe for a second. Then I'll come back out here and I'm gonna work on the car. Right now, this took us about like 2 hours. 2 hours, about an hour and a half. So I'm chilling right now. I'll come back out and put the car together. But right now, this is how it's gonna sit for a couple hours. Now I just gotta clean everything up because I got a mess going on, so yeah. We're getting places, bro. We're getting places.